In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Cash App bank account. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up Cash App, then go to the top right and select on your profile picture just like so. Afterwards, go ahead and scroll down until you see linked banks. Now, it is going to give you a list of all the linked banks, debit cards, and credit cards that you have on Cash App. And if you want to go ahead and change it, then all you would need to do is you would go ahead and long press on the debit card or the linked bank account that you're trying to remove. Then it is going to give you the option to remove that bank account. Afterwards, you can go ahead and press on this button over here that says link debit card. You want to go ahead and link a debit card that is connected to the new bank account that you want on Cash App. So you will need to enter your debit card, the expiration date, the CVV, and the zip code as well. Now, due to privacy reasons, my screen was black, but all you would need to do is you would need to go ahead and enter that in. Now, it may make you do some verification as well, and that may take a couple business days. So keep that in mind and be patient. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.